Mr. Brown and Bass here once again. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. See here, this is the two boards cut in half. Not really what I wanted. Kind of wanted that a solid piece, but it is what it is. I have these to make a stencil to cut around. Now I need to make my halfway point, which is on this piece. It is 17.5. What I usually do. This is not what everybody else does. This is what I do because I want as precision as I can fucking get it. Motherfucker. The 17.5 is right there. And 2 lines on either side. I usually mark it with a Sharpie right there and there. And I'll know to hit it right in the middle. If I put my Sharpie line right through between those 2 lines, I'll have a dead middle. So I don't just put one line. I used to put a V, but it's kind of easier just to put 2 lines.